So there was one requirement that can we use parameter to sort ascending or descending instead of sorting it manually clicking on the column heading. But this is possible, and if you see here, I can just click on ascending or descending and click on view report. This is actually sorting, and even I can select the column which I want to select, and then I want to sort here. Category, it is sorting it in descending order, and if I want to sort it in ascending order, I can also do that. So I can select the column name as well as the sort type, ascending or descending, in Paginated report. So this is what we are going to discuss on this video. Let's have a look into in detail. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now let's get started. So in my previous video about how we can sort by column that we have discussed, and now we need to add another parameter for ascending and descending. So how we can create a parameter is basically we can just go to this parameter and then right click on this one, create new parameters, and inside to that, if I open up this here, we just need to give it a name here and then the prompt name, and this is a text value, and this is also visible property, and also the available values here I'm just adding it here as ascending and descending, and also I'm giving the value same ascending and descending here. And by default the value should be ascending. I want to sort it by ascending, and it should be specific values, and on available value is also specific values, and in advance there is nothing as default, and then cancel. Now the next thing what we have to do is basically, let me expand this and now go to this group property here at the bottom of this table here. If you select here and under row group at the bottom of your screen, click on that and then click on group properties. Now here we also have the sorting option. If I click here, then now we need to add two options. One is sort by and then by. If you click on add here, it's asking about then by. So first what is you want to sort, and the next what you want to sort. So I will delete this here. So what I have done here is I just clicked on FX icon here, and inside to that I have added one if condition. If parameters dot sort type, which is ascending or descending parameter, is equal to ascending, then I want the column to sort name and its value. So basically this is also another parameter which is basically selecting the column name and then dot value. Here I have not mentioned anything about to sort because there is no option to programmatically set about that, but instead of that what we can do is we can just set up here as ascending or descending. So A to Z or Z to A, right? And what will happen is if I select ascending, then this will select the column from the column parameter, and then it will sort it by ascending order based on this condition. If it is not, if I have selected descending for example, then it will go to this next option then by, and even here what I have done, if the parameter sort type value is equal to descending, then it is going to select the column value which is from another parameter again and comma 0. If nothing is selected, then it will treat as 0 here. It means it is not going to pass any column value. This is not going to work. So that's what we need to pass, and here I have mentioned about Z to A instead of A to Z. So that's the different logic which we need to use here. So let me click on this again, and I want to break it down here to clearly understand about this thing. So if condition, usually what we have is our query, and then if it is true or if it is false, logical value. So this is logical value is basically the parameter sort type, which is the new parameter which we have created, is equal to ascending. That's what user has selected. Then if the value is true, then I'm passing this here as a column name. Basically I need to pass the column name, and because we are using a dynamic column name here also, so that's the reason fields, and within the field instead of column name I'm passing it the column name from the parameter value, which is another parameter, column sort. If you see here, column sort is another parameter and sort type is another parameter. So I'm taking that value, so it is going to sort that particular column ascending or descending. If it is nothing else, then it will show as 0 here. That's what it is mentioned here. So by applying this group property sorting here, then it's going to work on this one. If I run this report, now you can see I have selected category name here. This is category name, and another column what I have is here is a serial number. number, which is basically this one. And I sort it by ascending order. Now you can see is A, B and C. If I change this to be descending order and then click on, where is that, view report, here it's going to change from C, B, A. And now if you want to sort this by descending on the serial number, if you see here 2314, now if you click on view report, it's going to sort it by 4321. If I again change it to ascending order, it's going to change the value from 1234. So this is how you can add parameters and dynamically sort the columns based on the user needs. This is how amazing, right? If you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.